QUIC.cloud offers two optimization services meant to improve the lazy load experience. Today, we are going to talk about the Low-Quality Image Placeholder service, also called LQIP for short. If you would like to follow along and get LQIP working on your own site, you will need to have the following: a WordPress site set up and in working order, a copy of the LiteSpeed cache for WordPress plugin v3.0 or later installed and activated, your WordPress site paired with QUIC.cloud, and a QUIC.cloud account. If you don't have this set up yet, see the video description for instructions. Do you have lazy load images enabled in the LiteSpeed cache plugin settings? If so, then you know that the transmission of each image is delayed until it is needed. By default, images are replaced by gray boxes and only load once their position scrolls into the viewport. This is a good thing because it saves bandwidth and improves your page's speed. But maybe you want something more interesting than gray images. The Low-Quality Image Placeholder service adds some flair to your lazy loaded images and replaces the default gray boxes with colorful placeholders derived from your site's own imagery. Each placeholder generated via the LQIP service is an extremely low-quality version of the original image. These placeholders are fast-loading, attractive, and a hint at the imagery to come. Just be aware, if you have a hosting package that limits the number of files you may have, LQIP may be a strain on your limitations. An LQIP is generated for every size variation of every media library image submitted to the service. Whatever number of images you have in your uploads directory may potentially be doubled with the addition of LQIP, so keep that in mind. All QUIC.cloud optimization services are configured and initiated from the LiteSpeed cache plugin for WordPress. To enable LQIP from your WordPress dashboard, navigate to LiteSpeed cache, then page optimization, then media settings. Set lazy load images to on, set responsive placeholders to on, and then set LQIP cloud generator to on. If you'd like LQIP to be generated in the background, you can also enable Generate LQIP in background. Press the Save Changes button when you're done. And with that, you have enabled LQIP. The LiteSpeed cache plugin and QUIC.cloud will begin processing LQIP with your site's next visitor. Let's assume that you have Generate LQIP in background set to on. Here's how LQIP generation would work. When a user visits a page on your site, if the page does not yet have LQIPs generated for any of the images on the page, the images are added to a queue. Periodically, the cron sends the queue to QUIC.cloud. QUIC.cloud processes each of the images and generates LQIPs for them. QUIC.cloud then notifies WordPress that the LQIPs are ready. Finally, the cron picks up the LQIPs and saves them to be used as placeholders in the page's HTML next time the page is cached. We mentioned previously that the LiteSpeed plugin is the place to enable and configure your LQIP service. If you want to monitor the service or pay for additional quota, that is done on the QUIC.cloud dashboard. To monitor LQIP usage for your example.com site, navigate to QUIC.cloud dashboard, then example.com, and then LQIP. At the top of the page, you will see a list of QUIC.cloud's most recently received LQIP requests. Scroll down to see your usage for the month, your free quota for the month, and the tier your domain belongs to. At the bottom of the page is the pay-as-you-go option. This allows you to purchase additional quota for the LQIP service on an ad hoc basis. You will get a certain amount of free quota to use every month. Once this quota runs out, you can purchase more, or you can wait until the following month, when we will give you more freebies automatically. If you regularly exceed your free allotment, you can add quota ad hoc with the pay-as-you-go option. See the description below for more details about pricing. QUIC.cloud's low-quality image placeholder service provides a nice way to improve lazy load functionality. You can deliver a more polished-looking design to your visitors while still enjoying the benefits of lazy loaded imagery. LQIP is a fairly straightforward service that shouldn't cause any issues on your site, but if you're having difficulty, open a ticket and our support team can give you a hand. We hope you will give this service a try. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. We'll see you next time when we talk about one of our other QUIC.cloud optimization services.